What's going on? You weren't thinking of talking to Aga Bayar again, were you? Again? Yeah, we observed you outside the Turkish embassy.
Just a minute there.
That's a surge.
Yep. That's what's stinking.
Yeah. Yeah, it's surge. Yeah, that's definitely surge.
He's got his camera light.
Where did you see that?
That's surge. It's surge.
It was like this last year a couple of times.
Yeah?
See how it sounds and moves. See that bit there? That's the drains, and you should see it. It was just like really heavy. It was bubbling over.
We just moved in here not long ago.
Actually, I don't think it's been raining as bad since you come in. It's just all the drains broke in, that just exploded. Because the last time I actually, the boy in the pub was just getting that fixed, so that must have been about a year and a half ago actually.
Yeah. Yeah, that's surge.
That's just water drains. Just all muck coming down the
I think that's a surge drain though.
I'm not sure if the Scottish Power did that before, where it was like this. That looks quite a few.